there. How's it go? Whoa. You're looking a little,
Yeah, it's been rough. You don't want to know the things I've seen.
What the?
Bad things. Just because we're the durable alternative to ceramic doesn't mean they could do what they've done to me.
Oh, hang on there, big guy. Take a deep breath and let me help you get to the bottom of this. So a lot of things can happen in a food service kitchen. That's why GET melamine is incredibly durable and break resistant. Now, GET melamine is not your typical melamine. Why? Because GET melamine is crafted from materials that give you the look and feel of ceramic while giving you the durability that you need. We go then one step further and help you enhance your tabletop while saving money because we ensure that all of our melamine is 100% NSF approved, as well as all of our factories. What does that mean for you? Well, when you're NSF approved, that means that our melamine is free from any toxins or harmful chemicals that could possibly get into the food. Now, that really helps maintain your brand. Now, how can I help you to keep your melamine looking like this and not like this? Well, let me show you. You want to handle your melamine with care. When picking up after your guests, always place your melamine carefully into the bus tubs. Use a soft cloth or sponge to remove any leftover food. Cleaning GET melamine is a 4-step process. Rinse, soak, gently scrub, and then wash. First off, make it simple on yourself. Rinse your melamine as soon as possible to avoid any mess from dried foods. For the best results, soak your melamine for at least 10 minutes to get rid of any hard to clean foods and sauces. Still got a little residue? Well, now it's time to gently scrub your melamine with a sponge or towel. Never ever use green scrubby, steel wool, or metal pads. Why? Because it'll scratch and dull your finish. Once rinsed, soaked, and gently scrubbed, properly place your melamine in the appropriate dish rack in your dishwasher. Finally, you want to make sure that you are using a bleach-free dishwashing solution, and then press start, and you're done. So if your melamine develops stains like this, it's probably due to sauces and food being allowed to dry on. So do yourself a favor and make sure that you rinse your melamine immediately after use. So what happens if you need to destain your melamine? Well, the way to destain is to soak your melamine in a solution of granulated dishwasher detergent and water for 4 hours. Easy, right? So here's what not to do with your melamine. Melamine should never be used in microwaves, ovens, under heat lamps, or be exposed to direct flame. Excessive heat dries out the material, leading to cracking and brittleness, and makes it look a little ugly. When removing leftover food, don't strike the pieces against trash cans or sinks. This could chip and damage your melamine products. When cleaning and sanitizing your melamine, remember, no bleach, ever. Bleach can remove your melamine's finish as well as stain and damage it. So that's it. A little care goes a long way.
Good to know. I don't want my brothers and sisters ending up looking like me.
Oh, don't worry. With the proper care, they'll be looking like your friend here for a very, very long time.
Oh, gotta go. Time for another meal. Bye.
Well, have fun.
I think it's time for a nap.
Oh, I know, big guy. I know.